Welcome, Chili Heads, to another episode of Spirituality Through Capsaicin. I am your host, Outlet 24/7, and today we got some hot mail from FIREYJACKS.
Yay!
Yay! Right? So yeah, I've been waiting on this for a minute. He came out with it, and I had to wait because funds weren't right, but they became right, and I got it.
Yay!
So yeah, I'm very excited about this. If y'all haven't tried it, go ahead and try his purple one chip challenge. It's the hottest one chip challenge in the world. So yeah, forgive me, I am tired. I'm working a whole lot of more hours. So Christmas will be cool. But anyways, let's go ahead and do this because it's Christmas early, actually. Yeah, and ironically, December 14th is the 1 year anniversary of when I did the one chip. Isn't that pretty dang cool? Or when I released it. So let's see here. Okay. Cherry. I am beat. That is for sure. Yeah. Oh, so sweet. That just made my day. Forgive me. Look, we got something else we're gonna do, y'all. Guess what we're gonna do? The impossible. Or bowl. Forgive me. Haha, that is cool. So yeah, I'm gonna do the rules real quick if you want to pause it. Try to get it right. That's awesome. So yeah, y'all get to see some more action. So yeah, FIREYJACKS Pure Capsaicin 5-minute challenge. But without further ado, I don't know if that's the proper way of putting it, but we both seen it on camera for the first time together. I mean, I seen this part, which was super cool. Because guess what? Oh yeah. And oh yeah, there's a card there. And then, you know what that is? It is the FIREYJACKS Devil's Blood Drop, 16 million Scoville. Pure capsaicin, I'm sure. Let's see. This is a signed, authentic collector's item. Only 1,000 of FIREYJACKS 16 million have been produced. I got one. It is not to be ingested directly, but it is intended to be used as a food additive only if you consume it. So I did think of something cool. We'll do some Takis. We got some Taki kettle potato chips. Yeah, we got so many cool ideas coming. All because of this. Okay, you will release FIREYJACKS of all liability in any claim of damages resulting in the use of consumption, ingestion, or contact with respect to this product, because nothing will happen besides pain. So don't do it if you don't want to. I don't want to. So do not follow my example, kids. I'm a bad example. So, forgive me. I wish I was a little bit unsleepy. Can't even talk that. I probably should have just kept it sealed, but I broke it. We got it on video. We all seen it. See, this is part of video. We have music. Oh, wrong kind of music. Oh, wow. That is so cool. Wow, wow. Holy cow. Yeah, look at that. Holy cow. It is heavy for a card. Oh, yeah. Wow. That is so cool. We gotta have this one. I should be a spokesperson. Or the mascot. We'll cut that out. See? We need this on a hat. Holy cow. FIREYJACKS, check this out. Oh wait, check this out. I don't want to bend it. There we go. Thumbnail. Wish it was down there. That would have been cool. You can tell I'm sleepy. So, like I said, we will try. We have to try on the unboxing. We got to see what this is all about. Wow, it's heavy too. There's a lot in there. Holy cow. Yeah. So, if you guys want to, go follow Monster Heat. He did one drop and it seemed like he was pretty I don't know the words. Wow, okay. I did not prepare for this. Is it? Yeah, twist, right? Wow. There's a little story as we truck along here and I figure out how to open this thing because I'm sleepy. Oh. I need to learn to stop hitting the mics. Already. Woo! One drop. Wow, one drop, huh? Yeah, y'all, that was one drop. Holy cow. Wow, I just got an energy rush. Woo! Holy cow. Off of one drop. And it's building. And it's fast. Woo! That looks so wicked. Three. Okay, we're not gonna do it. Overkill it, I gotta go to bed. 3 drops plus the 1. Oh, thank you for watching. I am your host, Omelet 24/7. This is gonna hurt. It's good till the pain comes. Oh, wow. Ooh, yeah. Oh. 4 drops. Ooh, yeah, we'll let this settle a minute. Definitely slowly building. Wow, the tear's almost falling. It is so close. Yeah, it's about there. Oh, work's gonna be fun. Wow. I think I got a buddy that'll try it. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh, I wish I had some Elijah's beef jerky. That'd be awesome. Put those two together. That is definitely a good burn. It's clean. That's what I love about his products. Like the burn's so clean, and you don't like barf. I mean, if you do a whole lot, you're gonna barf. But I mean, I don't know. Capsaicin Crystal King. I just noticed that. FIREYJACKS. Yes, you are the Capsaicin Crystals King. Yeah, I said it right. I thought I said it backwards. You know, that's hot when I have trouble speaking. You take my breath away. Ow. Boom, boom. Well, it peaked, but we got some pretty cool ideas. As always, if you made it this far, thank you for watching and have a blessed day.